Hello friends, I am Preeti. Today on the eve of the birth anniversary of national icons Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, we Indians should make effort for a clean and prosperous India. October 2nd would be the happiest day of the year for India because two of her great sons have their birthdays on same day. Two great sons who were always simple, soft spoken, and down to earth, and went on to become great leaders, rescuing her from crises of their era. Gandhi rescued from British, Shastri rescued from food crisis, leading to victory. Gandhi showed the importance of non-violence, and Shastri showed the importance of farmer. Today being the 2nd of October, let's speak into few childhood anecdotes of the birthday boys. I would like to narrate 4 anecdotes, 2 for each leader, from their childhood, which demonstrate their character, honesty and discipline of Gandhi, self-respect and ethics of Shastri. Gandhi's honesty. Ever since his childhood, Gandhi had the great quality of being honest and he was ready to sacrifice anything else for the sake of honesty. Once, a school inspector visited his class and gave them few words for dictation. Gandhi spelled one of the words incorrectly, the word cattle. The class teacher gently told Gandhi to copy the correct spelling from his friend, but Gandhi refused. After the test, the angry teacher told Gandhi that he was a disgrace to the class because he had not listened to him. For which Gandhi replied, I don't mind being a disgrace, but I cannot be dishonest. Shastri's self-respect. Lal Bahadur went with his friends to a fair across the river Ganga on a boat. After visiting the fair, he did not have any money for the boat's return fare. His self-respect did not allow him to ask for money from his friends, so without their notice, he managed to slowly disappear from them and jumped into the river. He courageously swam across the river and reached the banks safely. Gandhi's discipline. Gandhi was late for his gymnastic class by almost an hour. The teacher had marked him absent and also imposed a penalty on him. Gandhi defended himself by saying that he was looking after his ailing father and the cloud had misguided him with the time. Gandhi, like most of the people in those days, relied on sunlight cloud movements to track time. The teacher dismissed this and called him a liar for having given such excuses. It was this incident which made Gandhi realize that anyone who wanted to be truthful had to be mindful of everything including discipline and punctuality. Shastri's ethics. Lal Bahadur went to an orchard with his friends. While most of his friends climbed up the tree to have some fun, Lal Bahadur went around the plants plucking some flowers. In the meantime, the gardener came to the garden and all of Lal Bahadur's friends who had seen the gardener coming had run away leaving him alone. The gardener caught Lal Bahadur and started beating him for stealing in the garden. Lal Bahadur wept and requested the gardener not to beat him because he was an orphan. The gardener calmed down and with pity told him that because he is an orphan, he has to learn better behavior. These words left a deep mark on Lal Bahadur's mind and he promised himself to behave better in future, and he went on to become the most well-behaved and ethical political leader the country has ever seen. We learned about 4 qualities of 2 leaders through informative anecdotes. As we see from the first 2 anecdotes, both the leaders had some qualities since their birth and they demonstrated those in their childhood itself. But as we see from the second 2 anecdotes, they developed some qualities voluntarily after they were criticized. They took the positive criticism so seriously it changed their lives forever to become better. Nobody is born perfect, but it is in their hands to strive to be perfect. If we extend that philosophy to our lives, we see that we all have certain qualities. Some are inherent, some inherited, some inducted, and some inculcated. But it is in our hands now to become better. One such way to become better is by listening to our critics. Some say take criticism with a pinch of salt, but as history teaches us, people have broken their barriers only after taking their positive criticism seriously and working on it. Thank you for listening so patiently. Wishing all of you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. Jai Hind.